These are pictures of the various homes said to belong to the Deputy President William Ruto, homes that this ninth prosecution witness claims to know very well.
You say you've been to the Sugoi house many times?
Yes, Your Honor.
You say you stayed in the Sugoi house, is that right?
One night, Your Honor.
Yes. And you described that house as having 15 to 20 rooms. Do you remember saying that?
Your Honor, I said 10 to 15 rooms, Your Honor.
So why did you say a minute ago it's 10 rooms? What happened? Did it collapse, half of it?
Your Honor, I remember it's about 10 to 15 rooms, Your Honor.
Witness, I put it to you, you have never in your life been into any home of Mr. William Ruto, either in Nairobi or in Sugoi or in Eldoret. What do you have to say about that?
That's a lie, Your Honor. That house was the one having the white paint, and it was having one floor on top, Your Honor.
Mr. Ruto, I put it to you, has lived in that house, the photograph of which you have seen, since around 1998. And he has never, ever lived in a two-story house in Eldoret, ever. What do you have to say about that?
That is a lie, Your Honor, because I went there several times myself.
Ruto's lawyer Karim Khan then delved into the character of the witness, trying to show the trial chamber that he was not only a liar, but also a drunkard and a criminal.
I put it to you that you did, when you were interviewed, you said that you did, you said this, and let me quote, "I did not have any criminal background." Did you deny saying that, do you?
I don't remember saying that, Your Honor.
And you were charged with a criminal offence, weren't you?
I was charged, Your Honor.
1 second. Was that what happened?
Yes, Your Honor, it happened.
And you were sent by a judge to prison for 1 month, is that right?
It was 2 months, Your Honor, not 1 month.
And the proceeds of your crime you spent on drink, did you not?
I didn't, Your Honor.
I object, Your Honor. I can understand defense counsel's right to cross-examine on questions of prior convictions. Actually, on this type, I think that this prior conviction is over 20 years old. That's something that's important. Second thing is that this line of questioning on what he would have used the money to do is completely irrelevant for the purposes of that examination of determining whether he has prior convictions and whether that affects the credibility of the witness.
Objection overruled.
And in fact, you told the prosecution witness that you spent the proceeds of your crime on drink, didn't you?
I've never ever told them that, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I'll refer the bench to tab 40 on the file. You denied it, and when I put a document to you, you accepted after all that you had said you had spent the money on drinks. That's right, is it not?
It is true, Your Honor.
Even more appalling for the defense is that the witness allegedly attempted to extort money from the International Criminal Court.
Witness, you've tried to cheat the International Criminal Court, haven't you?
No, Your Honor. I've never ever tried to cheat the International Criminal Court.
And you were caught red-handed, weren't you?
No, Your Honor, no one has caught me red-handed because I have tried to my best to speak the truth.
Witness, I don't want you to misunderstand me. You've tried to milk the International Criminal Court for money, haven't you?
No, Your Honor, I've not done.
Khan claims the witness bought a receipt book from which he presented bills from a non-existent hotel to the ICC.
I will seek to show the witness. Witness, can you see that?
I can't recall it, Your Honor.
That's your handwriting, isn't it, witness?
No, not my handwriting at all, my own.
And that's a receipt you presented to officials of the ICC in an attempt to be reimbursed for that amount of money on that date. Isn't that right?
I don't recall doing that, Your Honor.
Witness, I want to know if these 2 additional receipts help jog your memory about what you did.
Your Honor, I now remember the receipts. And the 50,000, I was not the one who was paying. But the 4,000 and the other one, I was the one who was paying, Your Honor. But the representative of the court is the one who paid for the 50,000, Your Honor.
And the International Criminal Court refused to pay that money because they realized you were on a journey of dishonesty, didn't they?
Your Honor, there was no day I have ever been in any trouble with the International Criminal Court about the payment of where I'm staying, and is no day that I have never ever been given money for accommodation, Your Honor.
And you were panicking that your fraud would mean you'd be kicked out of the ICC protection program and this gravy train that you'd been riding would end. Isn't that the truth?
That is a great lie, Your Honor.
The Ruto Sang trial will adjourn at the end of this month and is expected to resume on the 17th of February. From there, it will go on a 3-week break and resume again at the end of March, then take a break during the Easter holiday. Sylvia Chebet, Citizen Weekend.